Southern Country Living, and today I'm making my fast and easy banana pudding for Calvin for Father's Day, and it's also budget friendly. And so let me get started. The first thing I'm going to do is add my pudding mix in. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. This is Father's Day weekend, and so I'm making Calvin a banana pudding. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding 2½ cups of milk. And I'm going to stir this up for about 2 minutes. The recipe will be in the description below. And after you do this for about 2 minutes, you let your mixture set for about 5 minutes. You can smell that banana pudding flavor in here. My grandmother always cooked her pudding. She was a great cook. She's passed on now, but she made many wonderful meals. I guess that's where I got my love of cooking from. Okay, now I'm going to add all my flavoring in. The recipe don't call for it, but I'm putting it in. Okay. Now then, I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to be using about 4 bananas today. Walmart's didn't have any ripe bananas, so we had to go to our other store that we depend on when Walmart lets us down. Set that aside. I needed me a little trash can here today. I hear our neighbor's dogs bark, and they continuously bark. We had absolutely no interference like that until our new neighbors moved up the road, and their dogs continuously bark. I guess they're just not used to their new environment yet. Every time I go out to my garden, they look at me, and I'm glad they're fenced in. Okay, the next, I've already got 1 layer of vanilla wafers in here. So now I'm going to be putting some of this pudding mixture over it. Okay, now I'm just going to cut my bananas up. Okay, now I've just got a layer of wafers and my pudding mixture over it, and then bananas, and so now I'm going to put in some whipped cream over it. That dog is really upset today. I'm just going to smooth that out. And then I'm just going to repeat this again. Okay. Now then I'm going to be putting the pudding on. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is put my bananas on. I'm going to put a lid on this, and that'll keep my bananas from turning too. Some people don't mind it, but I don't like black bananas. I have made banana puddings a lot bigger than this for a crowd. But me and Kevin will be eating banana pudding for about 2 days. Okay. Now then I'll put on a layer of Cool Whip. You can also put an extra layer of wafers on top, but I think I'm just going to put some crushed up vanilla wafers on mine. Here we go. Let's just get this smoothed out now.
It looks great. I can't wait to eat it tomorrow after it gets good and cold.
Yeah, some people like banana pudding hot, and I like it both ways. I can't really say which way I like it the best, but I also like just vanilla wafers with peanut butter on them and a good Coke. And I think I've got a few in here left, so I know what I'll be having for a snack. Okay, I'm going to crush this up real quick. You can put this in a food processor if you want to, but I don't feel like getting mine out right now. Just about good enough. Like I said, you could put another layer of vanilla wafers on top. I'm just going to do this. I think it'll look prettier. Alright, here's my fast and easy, budget friendly recipe. And I hope that y'all enjoy this. And if you make this recipe, let me know how you like it. So do what you love and love what you do. And y'all have a great Father's Day weekend. Bye.